check-in. So Penny, why don't you head off that way? And I'm gonna take off this way. Hey, wait, you're not gonna stay and help?
Hello, Alex. Oh, hello, Kelly. The inn is looking great. We have a big day here today. We have our conservation celebration.
Yes, sir. I have been excited all week, and I just love this year's theme. Working together, we can make our world a better place for all animals.
Now, remember, we have some very special guests checking in today. It's a couple of the animal ambassadors from right here at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay.
Wow, I can't wait to meet them.
Me too. I'm going to make sure everything is ready, so I'll be in my office if you need me for anything. And Kelly, guests have started checking out, so go ahead and start cleaning those rooms.
No problem. Woo! Pete, that room stinks. Oh, well, thanks for choosing to stay with us here at Critters Inn, Miss Dior. We do hope that you enjoyed your stay and that you have safe travels home. The exit is right that way. There you go. We hope to see you again real soon. Okay, well, bye now. Hey, could someone help out by watering this plant over here? It's looking a little dry. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. Oh, that's not what I meant. Well, thanks anyway. Oh, hey, Blackjack. Another late night, huh? Well, your pet house is ready. I bet you could use a little cat nap. Okay, let's see what checkouts we have today. I do believe that Rusty was going to be checking out from room 305. Excuse me, sir, are you checking out? No? Okay, guess not. Oh, well, how about you, ma'am? The checkout's right here. Oh, well, I guess they know where they're going. They must be parked out in our parking lot. Oh, and tell her, I can help you with your bag. Looks like he's got it. Good job, buddy. We'll see you later. Okay, that room is done. What's next? It looks like room 102 has checked out as well, so if you could tackle that one while you're here, we'll get right on it, right? Oh no, this room's a pigsty! Well, better get to work. Good luck. Oh, well, good morning. Welcome to Critters Inn. Checking in, are you? Oh, great. Ellie, let me get your room key. Now, you are going to be staying in room 101, which is right over there. Enjoy your stay. What was that? Oh, hey, watch out. There's wet paint up there. Uh-oh. I tried to warn them. Oh, well, hello, Rio. Come on over. Welcome to Critters Inn. Although I must say that I'm surprised to see you walking in instead of flying. Is there something going on with your wings? All right, I don't see anything wrong with your wings. I think someone must have just ruffled your feathers. Okay, let's see here. Oh, looks like you'll be staying in our rainforest suite. So here is your room key, and our concierge will be waiting up in the West Wing to assist you with anything that you might need. I'm sure you're very excited to get to your room. So here is your key. Enjoy your stay. Whew. Well, this one's done, but all the rooms are clean. Great, thanks, Kelly. Oh, hey, I can't wait to see you at the celebration later. Me too. Bye-bye. Oh, just in time, here comes our next guest. Hi, Silver. Welcome back to Critters Inn. Now, I see this time around that you have requested a bag of apples and some cough drops. What's going on, buddy? Do you have a sore throat? Let me take a look. Nah, I don't think you have a sore throat. I think you're just a little hoarse. But you can never be too careful. They do say that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here are your apples, and you'll be in room 102 right this way. Enjoy your stay.
Our special guests have just arrived, Alex. Have you had your lunch yet?
No, I haven't.
Well, why don't you get ready for that, and I'll greet our guests.
Great.
Well, hello, and welcome to Critters Inn.
Hello.
You must be, Michaela, one of the incredible zookeepers from right here at Busch Gardens, Tampa.
Yes, my name is Michaela, and I am part of a wonderful team.
And who is this?
This is Big Al. He is an Aldabra tortoise.
Hello, Al, and welcome as well. Now, Aldabra tortoises, those are the guys that get pretty big, right? Is Al here just a baby?
He is still very young. He's only about 5 years old, which is very young for this species. They can live to be up to about 150. And over that time, you're right, he is going to grow very large. He can get up to about 700 pounds.
Wow, that is amazing. And where do you typically find these guys out in the wild?
Well, these guys have a very small habitat out in the wild. They are only found on one chain of islands called the Aldabra Atoll.
Oh.
That's in the Indian Ocean.
Right.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi!
Well, hello, Ashley, and welcome. Who is this?
This is Rainbow. He's a Harlequin macaque.
Oh, well, hello, Rainbow, and welcome.
Will you say hello, Rainbow? Will you say hello to everyone? Good.
Hey, that is awesome. It's like Rainbow could actually understand you. Can Rainbow understand us? Could I talk to Rainbow?
Well, you could talk to Rainbow, but it would be a one-sided conversation. Macaques have the ability to mimic up to 100 words and phrases. In fact, Rainbow here has learned a song for tonight's celebration. Would you guys like to hear it?
Absolutely.
Rainbow, will you sing your song? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up.
Hey, that is awesome. Yeah, that's so great, guys. Now, where do you typically find these guys out in the wild?
You're gonna find macaws in the rainforest in flocks of 30 to 100 birds.
Right, now I do know that both of these animals come from very different habitats, and habitat loss is a problem all across the globe. Are both of these guys in danger of losing their habitat out in the wild?
Yes, unfortunately, that is a concern for both of these animals. For rainbow coming from the rainforest, we're losing a lot of space, mostly to make way for crop production. And then, like we mentioned with the Aldabra tortoise, they've got a very small habitat to begin with. So if we lose any of that space, then we do risk losing the species as well.
Well, what can we do to help?
Right here at home, the best way you can help is to buy locally sourced produce.
Yeah, that's an awesome tip. Thank you so much. Now, we do see here we have you staying in our presidential suite while you are with us. So here's your room key. Elevators are located right through that curtain. We'll let you go get settled in. And is there anywhere else we can see some of the other amazing animal ambassadors and learn about conservation right here at the park?
Absolutely. We've got a special place at Busch Gardens for that, and that is Animal Connections. It is home to all of our animal ambassadors, and it is located in the Nairobi area of the park, right across from the train station.
Fantastic. Now, we'll let you guys go get settled in, and we'll see you later at the celebration, all right?
We'll see you there.
All right, bye-bye. celebration is about to begin, and we need to get this place decorated. We can't have all of this out here for the celebration. If I have told her once, I have told her 1,000 times. This is a lobby, not a lunchroom. Now we have got a lot of work to do, so I need for everyone to lend a helping hand. Or paw. By letting these animals show off and do what they do best. Take it away, Dottie! enjoy the rest of your adventures here today at Busch Gardens, Tampa!